Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Samsung update good luck with the new S Pen Future keyboard and wallpaper customization. Some will say the good luck is a great reason to stick with the Samsung as it enable cool customization option and the app just keeps getting better. The latest update enhanced the S Pen and on-screen keyboard along with adding a ton of visual flair. Starting with the S Pen, Fantastic lets you set them both visual and audio, and even change the size and shape of the pointer which show up when you hover the style. Even better, you can choose which app to launch when you double tap on the screen with the S Pen button held down. The upcoming key cap feature will let you set the height, width and positioning of the keyboard and even reorder the key layout based, helping you make the stuffy old QWERTY more comfortable to use. This feature will also let you set the theme and dynamic effect. There will be typing game too to help you hone your chat skill and reduce types. Note key cap require a phone running one UI 2.1 or higher tablet, and floatable are not supported. It a QTC theme. Are you think the Wonderland app will add some 3D particle effect and decals to spice up your wallpaper? Required one UI 2.0 plus, again tablet and foldable not invited. Home up new share manager feature will soon allow you streamingly the sharing process by hiding creation command, share nearby and direct share. Require one UI 2.5 plus. If you have the Galaxy tablet with a book cover keyboard, attach it. The I love Galaxy tablet feature of multi-star allow you to share the keyboard with your phone of easy typing, and one UI 2.5 plus is requirement. The Fantastic and Wonderland are available now. Share Manager and Key Cafe will come in early October. So this is the latest update of the Samsung. Good luck with the new S Pen feature, keyboard, wallpaper and a lots of customization. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new feature of the new update of the Galaxy? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.